Removing index column in pandas when reading a CSV. I have the following code which imports a CSV file. There are 3 columns and I want to set the first 2 of them to variables. When I set the second column to the variable efficiency, the index column is also tacked on. How can I get rid of the index column? I tried using after I set which I found in another post that results in Kiera index.
Data frames and series always have an index. Although it displays alongside the columns, it is not a column, which is why del_df index did not work. If you want to replace the index with simple sequential numbers, use df.reset_index. To get a sense for why the index is there and how it is used, see for example 10 minutes to pandas.
When writing to and reading from a CSV file, include the argument index equals false and index underscore col equals false, respectively. Follows an example. To write and to read from the CSV. This should prevent the issue so you don't need to fix it later.
df.reset_index drop equals true, in place equals true.
You can set one of the columns as an index in case it is an id, for example. In this case, the index column will be replaced by one of the columns you have chosen.